welcome back again. It's your girl, if you may, and if it's your first time, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe down below and hit the like button before you leave. So, like you can tell from the title, today's video we are going back to our gift ideas. So it is holiday season. Holiday season is fast approaching. Guys, trust me, you need to get on your shopping game right now. Like literally, like time is flying, okay? Black Friday is coming really soon, which is why I have picked out 10 items to help you guys with your shopping. So if you're shopping for holiday season for your girl, for your wifey, for your sister, for your friend, you name it, this is gift ideas for her, gift guides for her. I know it's really daunting sometimes shopping, and especially when they have everything. So I am here to do the work for you guys. Okay? Number one item is gonna be a jewelry set. So I was lucky enough to be sent this beautiful jewelry which I have on right now from Analuisa. So I am gonna be talking about Analuisa before I head over to the other gift items, okay? So Analuisa, which is a jewelry company. So yeah, this company is all about sustainability. So they offset 100% carbon emissions, and starting with raw materials, exceptional quality, very long lasting. Trust me, I've been wearing this for the longest time now, ever since I got it, and it's been so like I haven't had any issue with it whatsoever. Anyways guys, I'm gonna show you how the packaging was for this beautiful jewelry. So it comes in this box. So I already opened it up. I told you guys this brand is all about simplicity, basically. Like you can tell from the packaging. So on here it says smaller packaging, less waste, more love. I love this, and it's made 100% on recycled paper. And yeah, so yeah, I'll just show you what it looks like. Other one, so this is what the pouch looks like. That is so beautiful. So they sent me the silver and joy set. One thing I really like about this pouches is that you can always use them. You can basically just store your jewelry in this. You don't necessarily need a jewelry box for this one. That's why I like this. So when you open it, you get this. Look at this, guys. So it says hope, love, create. Can you see? And then you get this little, so everything is basically in this little box. Let me just open it for you guys to see. Keychain here. So it has a key and the heart. I love this. Guys, this is so, oh my god, the prices, guys, trust me, prices are not like, can you just look at this? It is worth the price, and it starts from as low as $35 and goes all the way up to like 100 and something. So yeah, like the prices are very good. Like they are like pretty affordable. Yeah, so the reason I really like about the brand is their sustainability, and also the fact that it is, so like if you know me, you know that I don't own a lot of jewelries, and I don't wear jewelries as much, but like when I wear them, I only wear like simple dainty jewelries, something like this pretty much, which was why I was really intrigued by this brand. So as soon as I got the website, I was like, oh my goodness, this is definitely my style. It's something that you would want to wear every single day. That's like, yeah. So like if you're the kind of person that loves wearing like simple jewelry, like they have a lot of minimal pieces, which is why I like them. So if you're that kind of person, what are you waiting for? They've got about 40% off discount going on right now. They have like Black Friday deals going on right now. I'm gonna put down the link in my description box so you can check that out. And also, yeah, so I mean, this is like a perfect gift, okay? You guys, don't sleep on this. But yeah, so anywho, so the next gift item, you guys, next gift item, oh guys, we need scented candles right now. Like, can't go wrong with candles. So I mean, that's only if you have, like, if your friend or your girlfriend is into candles like myself. Why not? Like, I love candles so much. You can get candles from, there's a lot of stores online that I cannot think about right now, but I know for sure Bath and Body Works, they do have beautiful scented candles, and they always have, and their Black Friday deals are so bomb. Like, I don't know about you guys, like, if you're not shopping on Black Friday, you're wasting your time. This is like the perfect time to do your holiday shopping. So why not just put that on your cart right now? And yeah, so like a lot of stores have been having candles lately, so yeah, you might want to jump on that, because you can never go wrong with candles. Okay, so the next item is what other than a Polaroid. Guys, this is my baby. This is literally my baby. Polaroids are perfect gifts. They are like the best gift for any occasion, trust me, especially if you know the person loves pictures, the person loves camera, the person loves memories, anything that has to do with pictures. Like, trust me, a Polaroid, you're not gonna go wrong with that. They are gonna love it. I know you guys know, like, if you know me, you know how much I love cameras. Like, I honestly cherish this so much. Like, this is like one of my favorite gifts of all time. Yes, it is. Because it's something I've always wanted for the longest time, and I just love the idea of creating memories and like having photo albums and always going back to look back at it, or like the day. You guys already know, if you've been watching my videos, that I always recommend you getting a camera, but this time it's gonna be a Polaroid camera. But yeah, so cameras are like the best gift. You can never go wrong with a camera, especially Polaroids. Yeah, Polaroids are like perfect gifts. You can't go wrong. And one thing I'm going to tell you again is, if you're getting them Polaroid, you better be getting them the film, okay? Because getting the films can be really annoying sometimes. So you should have like a box full of films, especially if you love going for events and you're taking pictures. So yeah, get them the film as well. They'll be so cheap, okay? Get them the camera and the film together, okay? And you can get this anywhere. You can get this at Walmart, you can get this at Amazon, you can get this at Shoppers. Like, a lot of places they do have Polaroids. Yes. Next one is, guys, how can you have a list of gift items and not have a perfume on there? Does that even make sense? Of course I have to bring back perfumes. Like, I'm not just gonna tell you guys perfume and not give you guys the specifics, okay? Okay, so I have like a list of perfumes that you might want to check out for your girl, especially if you know their scents. So number one, I would say I would recommend is Flower Bomb, guys. And not just Flower Bomb, it's called Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb. That's what it's called, I believe. Yeah, you guys, this one smells like, they really like floral scents, and they really like the rosy fresh scent. This is what this smells like. So write it down right now, okay? Like, this is the bomb, okay? Like, trust me, you are going to love your girl after smelling this. And another one I would say is Coach Dreams. I really like Coach perfumes. They're like, so they're very underrated too, but they're actually really good, guys. Trust me, you should check that out. Like, that is so bomb. Another perfume you might want to check out is Miu Miu. It has a subtle smell, fresh. Like, what else? What else? You're just gonna smell like clean, fresh. That's what this one smells like. So if you like your girl smelling clean, all fresh and stuff, this is what this smells like. But yeah, guys, it's so beautiful. I like it. But yeah, that is it for perfume. That was so much. That is it for perfume, you guys. No, I'm not gonna mention Chanel, okay? It's overrated. But of course Chanel. But yeah, that is my list for perfume. So the next gift item on my list is boots. Winter boots. Winter boots are like, they are like, I know they don't really sound like good gift items, but trust me, if I get a winter boot as a gift, as a Christmas gift, I'll be so happy, especially if it's something I really like. Or like, imagine getting hunter boots, Uggs, or even like one of these like super fancy boots, tie-high boots and stuff like that. Like those are actually really good gifts you want to get for your girl. Like they can either be like heels or like any, like there's a lot you can get. Like there's just, you just have to know what kind of boots they really want for the season. Get boots from a lot of places, okay? Like yeah. The next gift item is workout sets. So leggings, workout bras, like anything that has to do with the gym. Guys, so I just noticed that Gymshark is having like a bombast sale for Black Friday. I was literally on their website right now and they got a lot of gifts, lots of sales going on right now, so you might want to hop on that right now. Check that out. Gymshark or Lululemon, those are like perfect gifts for your girl because we are trying to hit the gym right now, okay? So yeah. Okay, so another one is a wallet. Not just a regular wallet. Gift her a nice designer wallet. Like she is going to love it, okay? Yeah, you can't go wrong with wallets. You can never go wrong with wallets. The last item I would say is, so I wanted to tell you guys makeup sets obviously, but I'm gonna make things easy for you. So if you're not the kind of person that you don't know what kind of makeup she wants, you don't want to get her something that is not her shade. It's like a different shade. You don't want to get her something that she already has. You want to get her something that she doesn't like. She doesn't like the brand, you know. So I'll make this easy for you. Get her a Sephora gift card. Not a $50 Sephora gift card. No. Perfect. Don't forget, Analuisa is having their Black Friday deals right now. Do check them out on my description box below. I've made it really super easy for you guys to shop and all the pieces is over there. If you guys are looking for this particular one, it is called the Joy and Silver collection, okay? And they are in the necklace section. So yes, you guys, thank you so much for stopping by and I'll see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also like. Alright.